we are implementing one of the most consequential health reform programs that I know of. What we are doing around Taifa Care is extremely consequential. Many countries have tried and abandoned providing a publicly funded universal health system. And it's even more graphic when you look at it from a developing world perspective. We have the social enablers that help in the transformation of the economy of the country. And here we are focusing on health. That's why we are very keen on universal health coverage, because a healthy population is a productive population, and that's how you create a wealthy nation. So the social enablers are mainly health and education. And if we put all these things together and pursue this uninterrupted, it is possible to change Kenya in our lifetime. The issue of the costing of the transferred functions, which we must now confront and make sure that resources follow the functions that have been transferred. We must also find time this morning, in the limited time we have, to also get an update on where we are on the pending bills, and see how we make progress. You know, the bills now, the pending bills now are at the level of 720 billion, out of which 172 billion is with the county governments. And we must confront that issue and resolve it once and for all. And it is not impossible. It is very possible, actually, to address the pending bills issue if we think innovatively. And I think national government has some lessons we've learned on a few areas on how to unlock some of these issues around pending bills.